vlog. It's around the house. Well, I've got this Worx brand electric 40 volt chainsaw. Well, unfortunately, it does not cut concrete very well. And unfortunately, I hit it a couple of times. So it is broken. It's broken off the couple of my teeth here. And of course, it's really, lubrication on it has really gotten bad. So I've been going to Walmart, and this is where I got it. Do you think they carry a new bar, a new chain? Well, they don't. So I decided, well, the heck with it. I'm gonna try and bypass the original, and I bought an Oregon, and it's a 14 inch. Everything's going 14. This is a 12, so it's really hard to. I just don't understand why they don't carry their own chainsaw blades. And do you think I can find a 12 inch? Well, I can't. So I'm going to see if I can adapt the Oregon to my Worx. Give it a 14 inch blade. That's really common. So really looking hard. The Oregon, the blades are the exact same. Here, there is you can see your insert, and come to find out, this looks like it's removable, because all you got is a Phillip head screw, and then you've got a self-centered, already a self-centered notch, should I say. So I decided, well, what the heck? Everything else, it's got a 40 volt thing. It's got a 14 inch chain. So I said, well, why not? Well, there you go. I just popped that adapter off, and these holes match up exactly. And that's all this is just an adapter. Well, it's a spring to help to keep tension on the belt, on the chain. And I think it's actually going to work. So I said, what the heck, I'm going to go ahead and try it. See if it works out. Pop that out. And those holes made up perfectly. You can see the difference in the length between a 12 and a 14. So that makes like that. I'm going to put this. That's the way that actually was on the back side. So I'm going to spin this over. Little notch is going to fit in that notch, and a little screw going back into that, and there we go. Now let's see. Get it Looks pretty cool now, huh? 14 inch blade on this thing now. So let's see. Okay, with that said, now we got to try the chain itself and see if it'll go over the. Yeah, looking good so far. This will answer my question whether I can just use somebody else's blade or bar. The Walmart carries the Oregon brand. So if that's the case, I have no problem replacing. They carry the chains, and most places carry 14-inch blades. No problem. I say 14-inch chains. And I see the green Worx has a 14-inch. The snapper has a 14-inch. And the other one is Walmart's brand now, Hyper. The Hyper tools. Still not in there. The electric chainsaws are awesome. You don't have to worry about noise. You don't have to worry about mixing gas. Just charge the battery. Be careful of this because this freaking thing's probably razor sharp. Making sure I open it right. Caught in there. That's the thing, you gotta make sure you open it. Open it right. Okay, here we go. Yeah, shows you right on here when you're doing it which way that's gonna face. You get your small part of your little locks there. Yep, she goes right over the. Yep, locking right in there nicely.